Hey guys, welcome back. I like these dead jokes, you know. It's so cool. I just in love with them. All right. Oops. How was your last? Come on, Dasha. What are you doing? How was your last 1 hour? Welcome back. So yes, just hit levels that was watching all day. 50% of daily range. We broke below top of new week opening gap, so I would like to see lower. You know, ideally I would like to see maybe something like this, but I would like to see lower as well. Okay, let's see. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for support. I appreciate this. Maybe I don't want to see like that deep. I'd like to see drop. Would like to see drop on NQ. So bad. Yes, giveaway is Epix accounts. Trapping more. I like it. Main question if you're going to hit 50% of daily range. I hope so. Hello, hello. This drop exactly what we planned, right? You're not blocked from the chat, don't worry. Pretty sure we're going here to 801. At least I would like to get this. Inside far for Volgap would like to see break lower. I entered somewhere here with just 1 micro. It was like just to try. I entered like 20 minutes ago, I guess. Just with 1 micro. Let me... I entered in TradeView, but 1 second, I will show you right now. Let me connect Ninja real quick. I'm gonna show you 1 second. Yeah, here we go. I entered 20 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago, I guess. Which is just 1 micro, guys. I'm holding 20 accounts, Apex accounts. Just 1 micro, because I wasn't kind of sure about this trade. But I was risking $100, so I guess it's worth it. I did not enter. I entered here. My husband bought me a smoothie, which I normally don't drink, but come on, it's like second trade on NQ. Damn, 1 second. Second trade on NQ today? Not for this year. Today? Let me. Dasha, are you sleeping? It's not food. Yeah, it was detox smoothie. Like spinach, kale, apple. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't sweet. So crazy, right? Reaction from New York midnight open. Ideally, I had to enter here, but since I was extremely slow with executions, I entered here. 3-minute OB. Once again, I use exactly the same strategy over and over again. Like, I don't cheat on strategies. 30-minute SIP, 3-minute OB. Since I was extremely slow with my executions, I entered not here, but here. It's my fault, definitely. I wish I could take like 50% off from one micro, but I cannot do this. Unfortunately. We completely balanced for our fair value gap. Look at this. Also, what I like, I would take partial here if it was 2 micros. 110% I would take partial here, but I don't have this option. And since it's just 1 micro, I'm going to let it run either break-even or TP, and I will re-enter. I would try to re-enter. Look at EOS, also completely balances fair value gap. Definitely partial at 866, but it is what it is. We will re-enter together, at least. Which is good. Not fun off trading like off stream. So I hope to re-enter with you guys. Da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum. I'm in short on NQ with just 1 micro contract. Type 1 in the chat if we're going to get another W today. Type 2 in the chat if it's going to break even. We will enter again later. Which is okay. And that's crazy, right? And Q again. That's insane. Like, Dasha, what are you doing? Dasha, wake up. You don't trade in Q. What are you doing? I would like to see 801 so bad. Once again, if you shorted as well, 860 definitely partial level, but I cannot divide my 1 micron on nano contracts yet, unfortunately. So it is what it is. many points I would like to see? I would like to see 80 points lower. I guess I'm asking just too much. I'm asking too much? No. But I do like what ES did. How big chance to get previous daily low level on ES? We just took 50% of this move on SPX. I would like to see 62%. Technically, we can drop another 16 points on ES. 16 points lower on ES will line up with nothing. Like 84, 85 probably. I would try to re-enter. So yeah, it's not going to be this Saturday. It's going to be probably next Saturday. But I would like to do, I guess, early in the morning. Like... like 10 a.m. Eastern time, New York time. Is what I'm thinking. I think so, yeah. It's going to be probably next Saturday, early in the morning. Because my kids will go to ice skating and they will have private class. Which means I'm going to have like 3 hours of my time. We can actually... yeah. We can actually do this. Thank you. I mean... maybe 8:01. My TP at 8:05. Just in case they decide to like say you did not deserve to get 8:01. My TP at 8:05. No, it's 30 minutes SIP, 3 minutes OB. I trade only one strategy for the last 14 months. M2 model is like additional confirmation, also good to have this, but normally I trade just 30 minutes SIP, 3 minutes OB. Like I don't cheat on strategies. Okay, let's set alert on SPX. I will close early if SPX is going to hit 62%. I will let you know exact TP on NQ because I don't, and on ES, I don't know yet. I would like to see 10 points lower on ES and SPX. Yeah, we don't want to fight with trend, we want to trade with trend. Right? That's it. Just for information, I copy my 20 Epix accounts right now, and only Epix accounts. Nothing else. I will let you know, of course. It's not signal, just my analysis. Keep this in mind, it's different things. Let's see. I will probably aim for SPX level. Seems like it's more reasonable. Yeah. Where did I enter? Like, yeah, my entry was so late. It had to be at 9:86, but it was so late. That's why stop loss was bigger. Not fun. Yeah, hard rejection from New York midnight open was confirmation. Come on, SPX, just 6 more points lower. I would like to see we taken out 62% of the range. We got since Tuesday. Since Tuesday, yeah, since Tuesday. Aiming for SPX level. It's like 9 points away. Come on, baby, don't be shy. Damn, I I just surprised, guys. I traded in Q twice today. Overall took 3 trades today, also kind of a lot for me. Even if it stopped me out at break-even, I would enter a short again with you guys. Just too obvious, you know? My fingers right now at close the order simply because I would like to aim for a level, I guess, on SPX. I have intraday trade and drawdown, that's why I entered with 1 micron. Because range quite big. I don't want to trade like this big ranges. And I already made money on this account, so just to satisfy myself. But end of the day drawdown evaluation fee, yes, they do have activation fee, which is $99. 7 points shy. Once again, it's not about how much I'm going to make in terms of points for profit. It's about like hit important level, you know? I'm going to trail stop loss here to the swing high. $5 points away. Okay, let's close here. My concern ES right now. I would like to see lower, but my concern ES. It's crazy I have like lots of W's today. My concern ES right now, I guess. ES balanced for a value gap and kind of stuck there. I would try to protect this trade. Would like to see lower anyway. I would like to see 805. Like I closed like 30 points higher. I got like 114 points. All right. Guys, I trade just using one simple strategy. I know it sounds like Instagram post, but it was 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. I had to enter here, but I saw this too late. I entered here, and I would like to see 805, 801 level. Of course, minute I closed. Whatever, I like it still. Look at SPX. So good. I like it. Yeah, it's on my YouTube. Yeah, of course. Damn, NQ, what are you doing with me? Like, it's so good price action today. So tradable and this respects my strategy so good. Oh, ask questions, that's why I'm here, come on. That's 50% of daily range. I showed this morning. Sorry guys, I'm going to delete this. From this low to this high, it was 50%. It was TP, like, guys, this morning we called, like, pretty much top and bottom. I speak Russian, but no one understands me. If I'm going to speak Russian here in the chat, no one will understand this. I speak Russian, yeah. Prove it. Well, 805 hit, I guess, right? 807, I like it. I guess not SPX, yes, approaching previous daily low level. Damn, that's sold price action today. Look at this. I mean, it's insane. It's insane. Market gods, I asking for only one thing. Please, can you give us price action like this on in Q every single day? I mean, I didn't trade in Q for like a year, and you gave me like 314 points. 314 points today. I mean, you're so kind to me. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate this. Guys, if you're going to sell off more, it will drop like 680 probably. Yesterday was great as well. I guess, it wasn't hard for me. In Russian? I mean, I can, but no one will understand. Maybe we'll say something bad. We didn't want to offend people, right? Yesterday it wasn't bad. And today it wasn't bad, because today was exactly what we wanted to see in the morning. We wanted to see move toward New York midnight open and just hard sell off to 50% of daily range. So once I started morning stream, I just said I would like to see this move. And I wouldn't probably short this, but we got strong rejection from New York midnight open. I was like, no way, it's not going to drop right now. But I traded with 1 micro, so. How I do this? It's up to you. So once again, you can use any time frame. So I use this time frame, this low to this high. That's it. It was my daily objective today. See this? It's not coincident. This reaction, it's not coincident. So let's talk about this, guys. Let's talk about consistency and profitable trading. I became profitable like 15 months ago, but I trade for almost 4 years. So it took me like 2.5 years to find consistency. I mean, yeah, maybe like we can create another channel where we can speak Russian, but I don't know how to pronounce some terms in Russian. But I mean, I can. And okay, back to trading. I was struggling so much. I was trying to find my edge. I was trying to find the strategy that's going to work for me. Because when you don't have strategy like model, why you keep losing? Okay, losing is okay, but why you keep recovering from losses? Because you don't have strategy. Just great example when someone blowing accounts, trying to like chase a move, recovering from big drawdown. Clear example when the guy or girl does not have the strategy. What do I mean by this? Because when you trade your strategy, your stop loss will be at the place where your trade idea is going to be invalidated, right? So for example, this morning on stream we got 200 points, guys, right? So we shorted, I don't remember from where we shorted, like somewhere from here, right? We put our stop loss here. Why not here? Why not here? Because we know at swing high, short idea will be invalidated, right? Right? So you will stop having FOMO, you will stop chasing the price only when you will find the strategy, which you backtested, forward tested many times. Because when you take a loss based on strategy, it's your plan, you plan the trade, you traded the plan, right? It's just part of the game, because there is no strategy that works 100% of the time. There is no strategy that works 90% of the time. You need to keep this in mind. So sometimes you need to just accept the risk and let it run. For 150, yeah. And we shorted this. We only traded in Q today. I traded gold also, but it was at 750. We entered here, I believe, and we closed here. It was our trade today. 200 points, right? We traded this today. Good. It's really good performance. I would say both trades were based on the exactly same idea, but last trade was based on 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. Entry had to be here, but I was late. I entered here. Target was 50% of daily range. I started like 30 minutes ago. I'm just afraid of potential consolidation right now for a couple of hours. Frank, I know. I know. Next up, weekly open on NQ, and I guess it's my lowest level for the day. As I said, 680 will be my lowest level, simply because we're below this level on ES already. Yeah, right? Like, I was surprised to get like good price action right before NVP, because lots of people said like, it's NVP, why you trading today? But today was like one of the best price action for the last 2 weeks for me personally. I mean, can it be like this, please, every single day? I mean, I don't mind. Just every single day. We're gonna kill this. We're gonna make millions, like, within like couple of months. Tomorrow will be NVP. I kind of not fan of trading NVP, especially like it's Friday. Okay, guys, ask questions. Holding the trade is really hard part of trading, and that's why, guys, I decided to leave. I'm just practicing right now, leaving the runner, and no matter what will happen, I'm going to just let it run to TP or stop loss with runner, because holding the trade is hardest part, because you see green numbers. For example, I had green numbers. I have no idea how much I made with this trade. I believe like, I know. I'm gonna check later. But I hide my PNL because it really distracts me from focusing on price action. Next setup, we will see. Because there is a chance to consolidate a little bit right now near this level. Do you try prop firms more often? Trade? I would say yes. Yes. Answer. I didn't see your question. I just answered your question. I guess. Simply because you cannot let it run. Accept this. Accept the risk. Sometimes it's going to be like this. If your trade idea is right, you will win. You will win, you'll be good. Trust me. This is how it works. Just let it run. Accept the risk. Funded seed? Guys, where are you finding these prop firms? Like, seriously, no, I have never ever heard about them. I missed your question, of course. I saw 15-minute bullish candle close after New York midnight open. But it's important, guys, to realize we're thinking about New York midnight open not only on one asset. We're looking at correlated assets as well, YM and QES. If one of three assets close above New York midnight open, does it mean we have confirmation of reversal? Yes or no? It does not mean we have sign of reversal. It means, okay, we closed above the New York midnight open on one asset, but we have two more assets. And if we're trading way below New York midnight open, that's a sign for us. No, it will not be long right now. We're gonna continue going lower until both ES and Q and preferably YM closes above New York midnight open, right? You know, so many different prop firms right now, and stick to those that at least like 1 or 2 years in the market. 1+ year in the market. I'm futures trader. I trade futures. I showed it in Q twice today. It's just insane. Right now, there is a big chance of consolidation simply because we hit important level. We completely balanced far for a value gap. We're approaching previous daily low level, but you need to be careful with this because right now we can consolidate a little bit. New York midnight open rose from 12 AM Eastern Time. New York time. Because at least 1-year-old prop firm has some trust. Like, I see lots of new prop firms right now in the market, but really hard to trust them, like, at least for me. Oh, hello. At least for me. Like, to test account? I mean, definitely you can try, because, like, at the beginning, like, prop firm does not have lots of money, right? So they can pay, like, to, like, 100, 200 traders, but we have no idea if they're going to money, like, have more money, right? So that's why I'm, like, always question new prop firms. I would try to trust, like, old one. Win again, right? That's insane. That's so good. I got 3 W's today. I got gold short at 7:50 a.m. I got NQ short at, what time we short? I don't remember. At 10. And I got PM short at 12:20. 12, I don't remember. 12:15 for another 100 something points. Hide from, it's for the indicators, guys. If you have questions about indicators, if you need settings for indicators, just let me know. I use free indicators. You just need to change color if you don't like red and green. I'm not fan of red colors, you know. But this one, it's free. Also, this perfect SMT indicator, also free. This one. So this for SMT indicator settings are this one. That's, for example, oops, I need to change actually. If I do this for ES, I use, for NQ, I use ES and YM. Like, we all know this. I don't need invalidated SMTs, I just remove them because I would like to keep my chart clean as much as possible. For gold, let's say you're setting this for gold, you want to use silver. Some use this one. It's for gold SMT. Oh, by the way, guys, let me explain main reason why I expected to get dropped today. I explained this in the morning, but you can listen again. Or I can ask you questions and you will answer these questions, okay? Okay, let's start with questions. So yesterday, what happened on NQ? We got sweep of sell-side liquidity level. Price offered absolutely amazing reversal. We can call this double sweep since this candle swept 2 liquidity levels, right? 1, 2. Price reversed where? Back to premium. And we touch untapped fair value gap here, which was originally breakaway gap. Why it was breakaway gap? Because we got 2 big expansion candles which formed fair value gap, second and third. It was breakaway gap. So price, after hitting liquidity level, price retraced up to premium fair value gap. We can call this untapped fair value gap. And nice, yeah, we rejected back to discount. But at the same time, what happened on ES? Yes, we swept some liquidity levels as well, but look how weak it was. It didn't have retracement to deep premium. We barely broke above 50%. And price kind of stuck at this level, which meant, okay, it's not strong assets right now for bullish run. Right now, we have strong confirmation that price will reject down again. Where? To opposite liquidity level. And opposite liquidity level right now at 67.73. Only at this point I was bearish today, and since we got big move up last 2 days, I was thinking what level I would like to aim for on NQ at this point, since NQ was way stronger than ES. And I decided to highlight from this low to this high 50% over here. Once again, since we got way big move yesterday, and I guess it started on Tuesday. Since Tuesday we got big move up, I wanted to just aim 50% retracement. While on ES, structure way stronger right now. What makes sense right now to take liquidity level at previous daily low level. What makes sense on NQ? Nothing anymore. 50%. And honestly, I truly believed from the very beginning, once we hit 50% on NQ, it will hit previous daily low level on ES. But this morning I wanted to short ES many times, but when I saw opportunity on NQ, ES already was somewhere here. So it did not make any sense for me to short in discount while I can short in premium, right? And I shorted here. We shorted here. I took this on stream. Here was continuation. We got, see this guys how it swept New Week opening gap many times. Wasn't able to close, retraced back to New York midnight open and offers strong rejection. At the same time, yeah, this SMT indicator perfect. At the same time, ES and YM decided to stay below New York midnight open, which was we still bearish. Because ES way below this level right now. This one is going to be fake break. And I was looking for opportunity to short again, which offered. See the sweep? What do you mean by sweep? It swept previous candle high and closed either below this candle or within this candle, right? Perfect. This sweep over here was confirmed by 3-minute order block. So your ideal entry needs to be here. But I'm not going to lie, I was late. I didn't see this in real time. When I saw this, I was like, I'm going to trade with 1 micro because I don't have any other options. And I shorted. Again. Guys, does this part make sense? I took 3 trades today, but of course we can take more. But guys, I'm not going to lie, since I already took lots of trades on funded accounts, I will switch on evaluation. Makes sense, right? If any other questions, ask. I will try to find different way to explain, okay? Just let me know. This SMT indicator, once again, free indicator, which basically highlights, let me put yes. If, let's say, just imagine, NQ made higher high. We can see this here, right? But at the same time, ES and YM offered lower high. It didn't break previous buy-side liquidity level, which means we have SMT divergence. With accent, I mean, I do my best. Ask question, go for it. On personal account, yes, but not today. Yeah, I just explained. Usually, when how we trade the range, we trade the range from discount to premium, from premium to discount, right? But when we have big range, as intraday traders, probably it will be hard to hold from premium to discount, or from discount to premium. Frank, stop this, please. So we want to aim for like conservative levels. And since we hit premium PDRA, I'm intraday trader, conservative target will be equilibrium of this range, right? We want to short from premium, we want to long in discount. This is how it works, especially in high time frame. Yes, once we have valid swing high and swing low, it will be valid range. I will talk about this in my upcoming videos, but yes. Idea of this trade based on 3-minute OB and 3-minute sweep. Oh, yeah, risk reward wasn't perfect. Yeah, you're right. Like 1 hour. I kept this in mind. Yeah, 3-minute OB. But my target from the very beginning was here. So at this point, I didn't want to aim for 2 hours simply because I could expect reaction from 50% of daily range. On 50K account, I wouldn't recommend to risk more than 200-250 bucks a day, not per trade, a day. So on this trade, risk was like 110 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. That's why I traded with 1 micro. Any other questions? I usually use 3 and 5-minute chart, but executions on 3-minute chart 99% of the time. I did not ignore your question. Come on. Well, 1-minute OB, no. 1-minute OB will have so much noise, you know? No. I would probably avoid. Maybe I would play with 2-minute order blocks, but definitely not 1-minute chart. I don't even trust 2-minute chart, you know? It's like we want to use time frame alignment chart. I speak Russian. If it's 30-minute sweep, let's use 3-minute OB. If it's hourly sweep, let's use 5-minute OB. But if it's 15-minute liquidity sweep, let's use 1-minute OB. Stop this. I remember on one of my streams, my husband was screaming at me in Russian. And I had lots of Russian defenders here. It was funny. to pass accounts? Oh, sometimes fast, sometimes like couple of months. Really depends, because I don't have tasks to pass evaluation simply because I'm fully funded with pretty much every single prop firm. You know, that's why like I don't really have tasks to pass fast. But when I see, let's say, bad price action, but definitely setup is here, I just trade evaluations at this point. And with these trades, it's just I slowly passing this. Wow. To know your game. I see you're professional. Yes, exactly. So since I personally don't trade 1 minute chart, because I found this like lots of noise there. It's not a bit noisy, it's like lots of noise there. I know like lots of people who trades 15-minute liquidity sweep and 1 minute OB. And I know like lots of people profitable with this, but I guess it's my psychology. I just cannot trust 1 minute chart. Make sense? I would say not ES reversing right now, SPX reversing right now from OT. That's exactly what I expected to get. Let's set up this indicator together. So let's set up an indicator together. My Russian name is Dasha. So I use, as you can see here, 30-minute sweep. Is it this one? Yeah, 30-minute sweep, hourly sweep. Since like I'm intraday trader, I don't really need to have 4-hour chart, so I just uncheck this box. So 30-minute sweep, hourly, not sweep, 30-minute candlesticks, hourly candlesticks. What this means, it's going to show you 5 candles on your right side of your screen. With one MNQ, we will watch right now. Right now it's going to consolidate a little bit, just be careful. Maybe on gold. 30-minute sweep, 5 candles, hourly sweep. No. Why I keep saying sweep? Like, Dasha, what's wrong with you? Not sweep, candles. 30-minute candles, 5 candles data here. Hourly candles, 5 candles data here. It's colors. Once again, you can set any colors you like. What else? I use fair value gaps. I don't need volume imbalances. And that's it. Everything else unchecked. Questions, guys? I would say Dasha quite a popular name, especially in my country. I had some classmates with same name. MXM only. You know, it's interesting topic. I'm going to talk about this right now because you actually talk about the interesting point. 2015, 2022 was hard to get the payout. And I probably want to agree with you because we didn't have lots of resources to study, right? Back 2015, 2022. Because I remember when I started trading ICT, I was trying to search some information about breaker blocks. My full name Daria, but I hate when people call me Daria. I was trying to search what is fair value gap, what is breaker block means, and it was hard simply because like I didn't find any good information about this back those years, right? That's why it was hard to get payout. I didn't study order flow anymore. That's why it was hard to get payout because we were limited with the information. Right now, like everyone covered topic about breaker block, order block, fair value gap, and so on, right? No, I have indicator for this. It calls ICT kill zone and pivots. Once again, it's still free. I use free indicators because I don't like to push like paid indicators. Here's the link. So indicator settings, take screenshot something. Time frame limit. What this means? This means if you're going to open 4-hour chart, you will not see levels. So I decided to stay with 1-hour chart. I I use Asia high, Asia low, London high, London low. I don't need New York IM session levels and so on. Show pivots. For example, Asia high, Asia low, London high, London low. And it's not going to show me settings for this, simply because I unchecked the boxes here. Next, I unchecked everything here. It's like daily, monthly, weekly open. I don't need this. And I have New York midnight open. You can call this true day open, for example. You can call this like 12 AM open. Call this whatever you like. I prefer New York midnight open. 1 second. It must be capital letters. And 10 AM open. Also good to have 2 PM open, but... So we usually don't trade this. And nothing else right after this. Link for the indicator in the chat. Order flow is useful, like especially with... What's the name of this guy? Guys, Chart Fanatics, the guy trades order flow. What is his name? Fabio. Yes, Fabio. He trades so good. Not Carmine, Fabio. I like his approach and I like his view on order flow. You can go to Chart Fanatics YouTube and you watch his live trading. It was so good. It's long, like 3 hours, 4 hours video, but it's so good. Italian guy. Carmine also Italian guy. I like his system. About which trades? I mean order flow? No. I don't have any like studies about this because I'm not good in this yet. No, Fabio. How I avoid this? Because I stick to just one model. I don't cheat on models, I just stick to one model and trade this. Like for some people don't like ICT concept. I'm not talking about ICT because it's two different things, right? Some people don't like ICT concept. Some people like ICT concept. It's like some people don't like to trade order flow, but they like to trade, you know, like bull flag, for example. Some people like to trade ICT concept unicorn setup. Some people don't like to trade support and resistance. It's all like depends on you, right? That's why I don't see a single reason to hate ICT concept. If it doesn't work for you, it doesn't mean it will not work for other people, right? Fabio is really good. Seriously, I don't watch like live streams of other people. I don't like watch overall trading content, but Fabio content worth to watch. I don't have plans to mix order flow and ICT, just good to keep this in mind, good to know this, but I believe I'm not going to use this, but my husband actually can try because he interested in this. Another trade, yeah, we will wait. Right now, nothing. I will keep you updated, guys. Let's check gold. My idea on gold will be, we already have 3-minute OB, but since we practice a new entry model using 30-minute sweep, so if it's going to, let's think about this. If it's going to offer like bounce higher, I don't care where, but will form fair value gap. I don't know, we don't have fair value gap yet, which is also important to keep in mind. But if it's going to offer fair value gap, since we don't have any yet, right? We can try to long, not right now, only if it's going to offer 3-minute OB. Not OB, fair value gap. Fair value gap. We can try to trade this one. That will be my plan for gold. Simply because, as I expect, ES and NQ stuck at the current range, like once we hit 50% of daily range, nothing is going on. And I would say that's predictable because I could expect this. We will expect to get something on gold soon. I don't trade Asia. Guys, let me live life, please. I trade PM and AM sessions. So far, I don't have so much energy to stream Asia. Maybe one day I will do like once a week, but right now it's quite hard for me. I have lots of videos, yes. Exactly. I can try to find the link for you about Fabio. It was Fabio Chart Fanatics. It has 2.7 million views. Here's the video I'm talking about. I know it's 3 hours, but it's really good to watch it like at the background, like a background noise. Share your husband channel. Husband, do you have channel? He's in the chat, by the way. Husband, do you have a channel? People asking. Yeah, 3 hours, it's really worth it. Only on OnlyFans? Why? I didn't know about this. Share the link. We all want to watch this. How much? Yeah, I'm also interested in this information. Share the link. Very expensive. Well, you could make like discount for your wife, for example. Like a little bit, like 10% off. Discounts? Okay, I got it. I will remember this. Affiliate code for OnlyFans. You're 40, why you have OnlyFans? Come on. Affiliate code. It's funny. Double price. Seems like. That's funny. It's not my OnlyFans. My husband said that his OnlyFans, and it's expensive. We cannot afford this yet, guys. He refused to give me discount. So what I believe I would like to see, I guess I would like to see still lower, but I would like to see probably just like up and something like this. And my plan on gold will be this one. So I would like to see leg up, fair value gap, probably will long gold. I have planned probably to long gold. Since I cannot do this on Epix, let me disconnect Epix. And I'm going to connect Lucid accounts or Tradify accounts. Maybe we'll trade gold, guys. No, I will trade on Take Profit Trader because I can trade there. Of course. Yeah, that was interesting. Fabio doesn't show emotions. That's actually true because I remember when he was in profit like $10,000 and price was retracing back to his entry. Was like, dude, I mean, what are you doing? Risk was quite big simply because we had bigger range. That's why I'm trying to say he doesn't fear. That's why I'm trading like 1, 2, 3 micros. I shorted NQ with 1 micro because I saw risk was quite big. So that's it. I need to keep this in mind and understand this. Link for Fabio? Yeah, 1 second. I will do this. Here's link not for OnlyFans, but for OnlyFans, but for Fabio live stream. So like that. Yeah. Let's see if gold is going to offer for a value gap. I don't mind to try this. No, Fabi, not my husband. Just a good guy, good trader. I don't trade his approach, but I do like his psychology, his emotions, and how he reacts on market. It's really like cool stuff. So let's see, guys. We swept this low here like twice. We still kind of stuck at 50% of dealing range. If it could retrace here, it could be way better for potential short. Husband, do you want to come here? You're going to be my hindsight expert. Nope. Well. What about hindsight? Like, my husband, perfect hindsight expert, guys. He's so good in this. One day? Well. It's dark. Show yourself. Yeah, on gold, my plan, if it needs to form fair value gap on the leg up, then it's going to be 2R from fair value gap. It's just saying, yes, hindsight expert, that's what I said. It's my husband. That's all you need to know about him. Let's see if it's going to retrace. Like, it's ideal plan for the for continuation lower. Just consolidate a little bit and drop. Handsome or not, I mean, he's okay. I cannot say bad words about him because he's watching. Yeah, ICT concept straightforward. So you don't need to have like any indicators. You can keep your chart clean. Yes, hello. Today's price action, really amazing. In the garage today. He's sleeping in the garage today. Because he refused to give me a discount. Do you have an account that you prefer to copy from? You know, it really depends. So today I was copying, like, from my leader account was Lucid Evaluation account, was my leader account. Because I don't really care. You can even like use SIM account as your leader account. I didn't find huge difference. So you can use any account. It's up to you. Why did you trade in London? I believe London was garbage, right? Oh, actually, no, it was okay. So what I'm watching right now, guys, is just this retracement. I hope it's going to happen. Gold did not form fair value gap yet on 3-minute chart. Not yet. Yeah, people helpful. I can be helpful. Just tag me there if you have question. If it's not like 2 a.m. New York time, I can help you. Sometimes I'm busy, I cannot check Discord, but if you're going to tag me there, I can see like, okay, someone tagged me there, this guy has question, I can help. Implied fair value gap. I mean, I watch implied fair value gaps, but I'm not going to lie, it's not really helpful for me. Oh, thank you so much. No, I don't trade. You passed the valves? Woohoo, that's so cool. I'm so happy for you. I trade metals, I trade indices. I traded today in Q twice, where I collected over than 300 points. And I traded gold today, but on gold I got 20 points short. It was this trade. And that's it. And price just continued dropping, which is fine. Also based on one strategy. All trades today were taken based on one strategy. On IM sessions team, we took 200 points short. This short wasn't 150 points. It was 114 because I closed early. Yes, 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. Yes, that's what I trade for 14 months, guys. And it works. I'm not going to say like it works every single day so good, but win rate 70% because July and August were hard for me. Second half of July and first half of August 2025, it was hard for me. It formed. Let's see. Let me see. It's consolidation, but 1 second. I'm gonna watch something right now. Yes, it formed fair value gap. Let me see how big risk. $24 points. So I backtest right now because to this strategy 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB, I added additional entry point. Yeah, I will continue since I just finished trading my Apex PA accounts. I will trade evaluations or take Profit Trader because no, we will see, because in Take Profit Trader I don't have consistency rule. So what I backtest additional entry. So since we got 30-minute sweep was confirmed by 3-minute OB, we need to use the very first fair value gap after we got sweep, which is here, and we want to look for 2R of this fair value gap. So swing low is going to be top plus, and target should be here, somewhere here at 51.20, 25. I don't know, 20 point stop loss. You need to keep this in mind. Which time frame is this team in the chart? I mean, looks good. Guys, what do you think about the setup? Let me switch on my other accounts. Going to disconnect Apex. I may actually I may actually take this. Let's see what we have on micro gold. I believe same structure. I mean, I'm not fan of big stop losses as well, but you know, sometimes we have big range and we don't have option. Win rate for this strategy, 65%. So 65% chance to be right with this strategy. With this trade idea, we have 65% chance it will take TP. Yeah, I know. Like, it's strange. I didn't enter yet. Well, I just immediately expanded 10 points higher already from this. Oh my god, it was quite fast. Wait! Not that fast. Oh, you entered from the bottom? Oh, that's good. Like, I mean, right now, if I want to enter here, it's 10 points above original entry, which brings your stop loss to 30 points. Right? Is that last place? Well, okay. Got it. I trade micro, yes. I trade micro, yes, micro and Q, micro gold. But I trade mini on euro futures. It's also important to note. I noticed it works like really good between 7 and 9 a.m. and during PM session. Oh, damn, it just going higher without stop. Come on, I mean, why is that so fast? I didn't have time to react. Entry was 33, but once again... Oh, 36, yes, 36. But as you can see, I did not enter. It was just, I wasn't like super fast. You want to play stop loss here? I mean, technically it's possible, but I call this aggressive stop loss placement over here, and conservative stop loss will be this swing low, you know? I feel like it's never going to decrease, but well, I'm going to I would probably partial rejection block. Let me at least plan the target. Oops. At least I'm going to plan the target for now. R100? No, it's like 1.8 here. When we hope for pullback, it never pullbacks. It's just life. And our luck, guys. Yeah, I wouldn't place aggressive stop loss. I mean, not best idea, you know? You think here, stop loss... Oh, over here, it's really aggressive stop loss. If you're talking about stop loss placement at this level, I wouldn't say so, you know? In my opinion, not really. I have no luck. I mean, look at me. Do I look like a person who has lots of luck in my life? Of course not. Like, quick, if I need to explain my strategy quickly, it's 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. That's it. That's it. Just read my stop loss. True story, you know? Technically, my alpha futures up $700. And we can afford to risk this because we don't have any consistency rule, you know? Technically, we can afford to risk this. At least half of this, right? And we can actually trade off fair value gap or order block with 2-3 micros. Look at NQ is this. Ooh, okay. It's actually good. Yeah, 3-minute inversion, 3-minute OB will be entry for continuation. Yeah, alpha futures, yes. Look at this, guys. It looks good. That's pretty much exactly what I needed. Let's get the closure. It's funny because gold kind of looks the same as NQ. We're gonna see. By the way, I'm doing giveaway right now. You have 30 minutes to enter giveaway. But once we hit 500 likes, I will do a giveaway early. I'm just saying. Who is going to be first? Gold or NQ? Gold or NQ? I use standard deviation. We used standard deviation today for YM. We use them today. Let me close this. Standard deviation is really great confirmation for potential targets, you know? Sometimes I just don't show this, you know? Like, sometimes I just prefer to keep my chart clean. It's just my life makes this... I feel more comfortable because, once again, guys, how to keep your chart clean? So you're going to draw only levels that you're going to use for your entry, right? So once you're in trade, you can start drawing projections, I don't know, like liquidity levels, whatever you like. But before you enter your position, keep on the levels that you're going to use for entry. I have video about this on my YouTube channel, how to use standard deviation projections. Since then, nothing changed. I'm going to find for you. I posted this like almost 2 years ago, but once again, nothing changed in my approach. I'm watching gold in my another screen. Hope it's going to a little bit retrace. Less than 2 minutes left on this candle. Like fast scalp, like right now, and close like for 10 points. Short. I don't use 1 minute chart. It's my issue as well. You know? Ah, okay. So you expect to get gold higher? Ideally, I would like, if maybe it's not going to happen during PM session, but I wouldn't mind to get at least a test of 5110, you know? I'm not going to, I feel kind of exhausted from market today, but If it could offer something, I wouldn't mind. Without losing fear. So why I expected to get retracement over this area? Like, what was the reason behind this? A reason was continuation setup. Over here. That's why I said inversion and treatment to B should be confirmation of continuation. So if I will trade on evaluations because I simply cannot trade on my funded anymore. Simply because on some I have consistency rule and my base hit already hit. If I will execute it will be already trade on evaluation. Like last trade I took, it was this short, like 1 hour ago, on Apex accounts. That's it. Enough. Let's switch on MNQ again. Would like to be careful with this. Oops. 1 second, guys. It's exactly 2R. And we're approaching previous daily low level. Dubai is busy. Come on. This joke's like not good right now. Yes, approaching previous daily low level. Okay, I'm not going to be in a rush. Let's see. Strong displacement below 50% should offer like even more move to downside. I need to drink some water. It's not liquidity sweep. It's basically continuation of this sweep over here, you know? That's it. It was continuation setup. You just did chase to this order block. I don't know. I would like to see lower, but I'm kind of not sure if we have enough time to trap like that much. I traded gold and NQ today only. 3 trades today taken. I took one pre-market, 200 points. I shorted on AM session stream. We shorted here on AM session stream, and I took this short like 1 hour ago on NQ as well. I'm looking for 4 trades right now, but it will be 100% on evaluation, guys. I don't want to risk any more on funded accounts because it's already over trading at this point. Just try to save my account right now. Evaluation, okay. Funded, not okay anymore. Especially 3 winning trades there. I'm up like 1,000 bucks on funded. We can continue trading my evals because I traded evals today as well, but I will trade extra. So technically I can risk what I made on these evals. It was from gold short today with 3 micros. So I would like to probably look for potential short here on not on gold, on I cannot speak today. I was like, yeah, Dasha. I would like to short in Q. In Q. Was sweep, it was over here, like 3 candles before, you know, this one. Why I have so different charts right now? I'm just keeping my eyes on NQ and MNQ. Yeah, I have video, but guys, I would like to keep, if you're new on my channel, guys, I will run a live stream backtest. We will backtest on TradeZella. It's going to be probably next Saturday. Not this Saturday, because I need to talk about this with my husband. But I will backtest probably next Saturday. I will do an announcement. It will be probably early in the morning. So we can backtest for 2-3 hours together. And it will be recorded in case you want to. I will cover like topic about model itself. Sunday? You think what is better, Saturday or Sunday? What kind of? Like just backtesting, TradeZella screen, and we will backtest this strategy, just trades after trades. Saturday or Sunday, guys? Because I need to know, I need to talk about this with my husband, but about exact time. I don't see a single reason to do this during weekday, because he's with trading this time. But weekends, it's like perfect time. SMT indicator basically highlights, let's say NQ made higher high, but ES and YM offered lower high, right? This means we have SMT. If ES made a lower low, but NQ made a higher low, we have SMT, since NQ failed to make lower low. Make sense? MMXM only talking with my husband, that's funny. Gold kind of disappointing right now in this. I don't know. Gold, gold is traced. Let me move a little bit. Gold is traced to fair value gap here in order block. Since it's consolidation, maybe it's like not high probability trade, but at the same time, I kind of like it because we already hit like we keep trading inside daily inversion fair value gap for so much time. Yeah, MMXM, he talks with you more than with me. Like, it's ridiculous, right? The discussing me? I mean, forget you have wife. Forget about this. Oh, damn. So what we have? This gold right now. Guys, don't ask me if I'm trade. If I don't show you Ninja Trader, this means I'm not in trade, I'm just watching. When you see Ninja Trader, this means, yes, I'm on trade. I took something. We're trading. We're in the game right now. But not right now, like not right now. So I highlighted propulsion block where we are right now. I would say we need to respect 50%. I'm not going to put limit order, I guess. But yeah, I will trade off the action. Probably. Forget about it, Russian me. Which certificate you have? So right now we're tracing to, let me show you what I mean by 50%. You should see this right now. What I mean by 50% is this range. MT. Oh yeah. I also have certificate. How big stop loss we discussed? Like 20 points? Yeah, we will not trade more than 2 micros. Guys, 15 minutes left to enter giveaway. Let's see, maybe we'll try long on gold. Where I'll put my stop loss? I would probably put this at 65. Which will be like around 16 point stop loss. But I will try and probably on evaluations, guys. No reason to trade this on fund. I'm looking for probably something like this. Still the same, but stop loss will be here. Maybe. And Q is going to consolidate right now. I might actually try long on gold. Because NQ is just stuck at 50% of daily range. I don't think it's really worth it, you know? I'm just trying to pick stronger asset to trade. When I see it's consolidation indices, and it's right now consolidation, probably I would rather to just leave it and just stick on something else. I kind of like this one, guys. So once again, you cannot trade gold on Apex, but you can trade micro gold on Lucid, TradingView, Funded Next Futures, Take Profit Trader Alpha. Let's see. I feel kind of exhausted today already. If it's going to displace right now, I will take this trade. If it's not going to displace right now, I will do giveaway and I will come back tomorrow at 9 AM. Today we started at 8:40, I believe. Giveaway on my website. If you want to enter giveaway, guys. If you want Lucid this morning, I already sent you accounts, guys. Apex I will send you also like right after stream. Is it tonight? No, thank you. No, thank you. It's too much. I'm not good at scalping. Like, seriously, I'm so bad in this. And Q back to the type of consolidation. I mean, that's okay, but I will probably stay away. That's why I'm focused right now on gold, simply because we start consolidating on indices. Gold should displace. It's good confirmation, you know? Yeah, I know like there are lots of indicators. I need to like, I believe it's called, what is this one? Yeah. I was trying to quote indicator, which highlights only this part. By the way, it's actually cool. See this? We can actually leave it. I need to add option to like hide previous ones. I will work on this. Look, simple, right? And clean. Yeah, I believe we cannot set alerts here. Or I can. Anyway. Market did not change for me personally. It still works good. Fine script, yeah, it's something like crazy. Guys, let's hit 500 likes. I will start giveaway like right now. ES and Q stuck inside consolidation. Please be careful trading right now, ES and NQ. I guess Pine script only available on TradingView. Which was... Okay, what was the problem to add Python language? There. No, instead they did Pine script, which is impossible to use. SMC settings, yeah, of course. Ideally, like, I'm okay to enter, like, here. I'm just wondering if I really need to do this. I already feel like I'm about to overtrade. Which setup to show you? Nothing. Like here is 30 minutes, 30 minutes OB, 3 minute fair value gap. You're looking full port. Full port. Are we going? You want to full port tomorrow? You cannot do this on gold, but in Q inside consolidation. Maybe wait for full ports in tomorrow morning, like at 8:30 a.m. $8 a.m. will be a nice option to full port. You cannot trade silver and gold on Apex. Keep your day green. Yeah, I mean, it's not about like red or green, it's about like... Guys, if you cannot see executions on your screen, this means I did not end there. Simple, right? Trading this, I have I guess a picture on Twitter about showing my desk, my monitors. But again, in order to be profitable, you don't need to have like fancy, you know, like trading setup. Agree with me? Yeah, it looks like this. Initially, I was looking like short on NQ, but it just, I don't know. I like this initial, but right now it's just back inside consolidation. I'm not fan of this anymore. Well, guys, let's start giveaway because I'm exhausted. I need some break. 3 accounts for giveaway today. Once I call your name, guys, you need to say, hey, it's me. I'm here, everyone. I'm so happy. Like, finally this happened. Something like this, okay? Sam, first winner. Are you here? Are you with us? Not here so far. Sam, please don't do this with us. I know. You can do this. Please. No? Run, Sam. This guy won. Let's give him 8 more seconds. 5 more seconds. Of course, like minute after. Well. No. Another one. By the way, while we're waiting, guys, tomorrow I'm going to stream from 9 to 11 on my channel and from 11:30 to 1 p.m. on Ninja Trader Live. Ooh, interesting name. Please tell me you're here. Please. I hope it's not going to take just so much time to figure out the winner. To find the winner. Yay! You won account. Congratulations. Next one. Next one. Are you here? Studies. Yeah, I found you. You won. Congratulations. Oh, you won. Congratulations too. It was faster. I like it. I like it. It's way faster. Let's see. Are you in the chat with us? Please. Let's do this faster. No? No? Um, 18 more seconds. Oh. And not. Oh, you here? Oh, like last second. Last second. Why you always do this? Like last second. Well, guys, we got a winner finally. I will see you tomorrow, guys, at 9 a.m. Even early, I guess. At 9 a.m. to trade AM session, and I will see you also tomorrow to trade PM session. Tomorrow, Friday, we must kill tomorrow because I feel like this. Tomorrow we're going to just get like textbook setups, perfect setups. Because who are we? They're the best traders in the world, right? Guys, I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. to Trade Friday, both AM and PM session. Wish you good luck. I'm just going to disconnect all accounts. I don't need this shit anymore for today. I'm going to take a break. Thank you for supporting, guys. If you want to buy Lucid, Apex, Funded Next Futures, Take Profit Trade at Tradify, and want to support the channel, I will appreciate if you use code LUMI. Apex running up to 85% off on their plans, 50% off on Lucid accounts, all plans, and 40% off on Take Profit Trader accounts. No activation fee. Thank you guys so much. I will see you tomorrow. Right now it's consolidation everywhere, so I would probably just say no. I will probably overtrade already. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I wish you good luck. See you tomorrow.